So hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I will tell you how to use LaTeX. First of all, you have to open your LaTeX software. Okay, so it's your LaTeX software. LaTeX software is used for making document, research paper. It is lots of research work and PhD work stuff. So in order to do that, you have to type document. To begin your document, you have to type this like this: document article close. So it's my next command is begin document. So my next command is, let me add subsection section command. This section command make a section sample. Okay, let me end the document end document. After that, you have to simply play this, and first of all you have to save it. I choose random name. You have to save it like this: .tex. Choose a name and add .tex in last, so it's gonna be your file. Okay, I save it. Your console output. Okay, I made some mistake. Document class, this command is wrong. Document class article command is right. Okay, here is your output. When you make it, a PDF like this will be making. So I show you a sample what I made with this software. So this is a sample paper I made with this LaTeX software. You can see how beautiful this is. Section, reference, etc. Here is begins and abstract, rule, line width command. There is lots of command in internet. You can search and make your own document, own research paper. It's so beautiful, and that's all. To begin document, you have to type like this: document class 2 column. This is 2 column command form, so 2 column will be made like this: 1 2. Okay, for that's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.